Well, I picked up a broken Toro personal pace recycler lawnmower on Craigslist here. 22-inch cut. It's got the 7.0 190cc engine on it, Briggs & Stratton engine. Personal pace. Hasn't run in a while. I think it'll clean up good, but it looks a little bit rough. The gas in it smells awful. It looks like they tried to take the gas cap off with a pair of pliers. A little bit of gas in there, but it really smells bad. Air filter doesn't look like it's ever been replaced, and looks pretty dirty. That can be cleaned up. Looks like they may have had stored this outside as well. It's like all the cables and everything are good on it, which is good. And it's got trash on it everywhere. Got a wash port. This cage on this muffler here has been up, but it's got oil in it, which is always good. Dirty, probably never been changed. And we have mold underneath. Pretty much filthy everywhere you look. And we have mold. So I'm not sure where he has stored this, but it was not inside. And just a closer look at the blade here. It's got a recycler blade on here. Crankshaft, everything looks straight on it. I think this will clean up. It has compression. Overall, it looks like it's in really good shape. I'm going to put some carburetor cleaner in here just to see if it will try to fire. Got the side chute with it, which looks like it's in good shape. And this has the quick change where you can mulch, which that's in mulch mode, and or bag, that's in bag mode there. And the bag is in good shape. It just has that moldy smell about it as well. Don't see any holes in it. And here is a model number and serial number of this Toro lawnmower. Not sure you can make this out very well, but here is the serial number of this engine. So it has compression. Certainly feel the resistance, but will not start. So let's put some carburetor cleaner in here and see if it will try to do anything. So just sprayed a little carburetor cleaner in here. Let's see if it does anything. And hope it's firing. We got nothing. Oh, here we go. Well, that's a good sign that it started. Let's do a take two here. I'm going to spray some more carburetor cleaner in here and put a little gas in here and see if it'll keep running. Just going to spray a little carburetor cleaner in here. It certainly smells like the gas has gone stale on it. And we'll give it a try. See if it's at least firing. So here we go. Ooh. a surprise. Let's see if the self-propel works.